Hi friends, now we have Windows 11 and also Windows 7 operating system. In the both the system, I want to know when I was installed Windows operating system. For this, first you go to the command prompt here, type cmd. It will open command prompt. Select this, then select the run as administrator option. Press the S button. Then in the command prompt window, you need to type system info and press enter button. In this page you will get all the information about where original install date here. See, original install date here and system boot time, present date. This was original install date, and also in the same Windows 7 operating system also original install date 26 November 2021. Okay, that's it. You will get most of the information about your system: network card, system, physical memory, all these things you will get it. Okay, thank you.